Yes, a nice day to come home from work. Time to watch some TV. This TV is quite small, but it's something. What are we gonna watch? Ooh, I don't know, but whatever. Let's turn on the TV and. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Brick City Emergency Management Agency, the Brick City Police Department, and the Canadian Government and Canadian Aerospace Defense Command. At approximately 12:10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 200 million nuclear warheads, the size of an infinite number of our bombers, and the power of an infinite number of every nuclear bomb and missile ever created. These warheads will hit Brick City at approximately 15 minutes. If you cannot evacuate, make sure to seek shelter deep underground, as buildings will most likely be completely destroyed. When evacuating, make sure to bring whatever you can with you, as once you evacuate, there will be no turning back. Also, if you cannot evacuate, civil authorities, the Canadian government, and the Canadian government and other branches in those governments will be coming to evacuate everyone and take them to everything land. Yeah, 15 minutes to evacuate. Damn it. I never expected this. Okay, we need to get out of here. I need to take my fast car, dude. This looks not quick enough to get out in 15 minutes. Do I want to go into the city? Probably not. Let's... update to the emergency action notification that was just issued 15 minutes ago. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Brick City Police Department, the Canadian Aerospace Defense Command, the Canadian Emergency Management Agency, and every Canadian governments. Approximately 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard at approximately 12:25 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Infinite, 10,000 years, infinite years later, infinite nuclear warheads. With the exact same size and power were detected approximately 15 miles from Brick City, moving at a speed of 202 miles an hour. Also, a bunch of 200,968,226,910,268 in a tsunami with that same height and width were also detected, with an infinite amount of them coming in. And every other disaster having the same amount of power and destructive capabilities. Residents are urged to get out of here immediately and head to the Brick City International Airport, as this is the only place you can go during this emergency. Go to the airport now. Repeating, go to the airport now. If you cannot evacuate to the airport, civil authorities, the Everything Canadian government, and any other branch will evacuate you to Everything Land, or the nearest international airport that will get you to Everything Land. These disasters will hit in the next 15 minutes, so make sure to evacuate. Damn it. This is not good. I don't even know where I am at this point. The airport's up here. I see the bridge. We're on the bridge. Come on. We're here. There's another car. It's telling me to just go to the nearest plane. Go to the nearest plane. Okay, that sounds like a good idea. Whoa, there are so many planes. And there are bunches of planes from every plane, old and new, fake and real. Damn, and there's so many. I guess they said to just park on the runway. I guess they're telling me to move over now. Alright. Okay, this is no laughing matter. Oh, you made it just in time, dude! The warheads and the other disasters are about to hit. Come on, get on the plane! Everyone on the plane now! Everyone on the damn plane now! I can't get up there! Damn it, the plane's already taken off. It's way too late. Oh no, now I'm stuck here, and all the other planes are taking off with it as well. Dang it. It's a waste. I guess I gotta go back to the garage now. There is no point in leaving. I need to get gas. I see the tornadoes and there's a volcano erupting. There's tornadoes and tsunamis. I'm gonna get the highest point I can and hope that I can survive. The chances of that happening are low, but I might be able to. The chances of that are extremely low, but I might be able to survive. This is not good. Brick City is in grave danger. I need to somehow get to the government office and tell them to stop this. Because this is not good. They put us in this experiment because they wanted to use us as test subjects. I know the real issue now. They said that I would never do it. They said that I would never figure out the issue. They said that, and that's not true. Sure. Luckily, the nearest fuel station's up here. Maybe they'll have answers. Surely someone will have the answer. Oh, and I forgot, the Mafia also would evacuate everyone, damn it. Oh jeez, pay attention. Jeez. Hold on, I know a place I can go to for answers and survival. I have just 2 minutes left to get to the place before the disaster arrives. This is the only place I know of that's actually safe. It's on the water, so hopefully that we can survive. If I get in here, oh, they're just not closing the gates. Okay, we just need to get to the military checkpoint that's up here. And it's right up here, so we're gonna slow down and... Oh, you want my ID and stuff? Sure, yeah, I got that. I'm just gonna give you the ID. So is it clear? Alright. Good day. Park with the rest of the cars. Finally, some safety. Luckily, I have all my personal belongings in the... Let me just open the trunk and the passenger door. So I can get everything out of here. Someone help me get everything out of my car. Thank you very much. That was rough. Anything in my hood? What does it look like is in my hood? The engine. I have no space in there for anything. I also have a backpack full of stuff. Oh, what's that? I need to head back to the checkpoint. And why is that? Oh, because I may have some illegal items on me? No shit. Maybe I do, maybe I don't. Wait, I should not say that. No, yo. Get off my vehicle. Get off my dang vehicle. I don't have any illegal items. Trust me, I don't have any illegal items on me. You can't take me in for no reason. I didn't do anything. Okay, don't. Okay, I'll pull, oh, never mind. Just go direct me to the... What's this? Oh yeah, that's another exit. What's this? This arena is very big. Oh, I'm not allowed up here? Because everyone else is up here and down there. Well, this is very big, so this could be a hotel of sorts. Guess I'll just park my car in a random spot like everyone else is. And hop out. Just gonna set up camp, open the doors, get everything set up camp. Is everything allowed here that I own? Yes. Okay, good. Let me get my tent. Get all the food I have stored. There we go. Just set up camp right here in this parking spot. Oh, there are apartments? Really? Well, I didn't know that. This should keep us safe from the tornadoes and the tsunami, hopefully. Okay, close the doors and don't even do anything. This message will be silent for your own safety. Aliens are coming? They have power? They could do whatever they want with us. They could toy with us. They could do anything. Jeez. Okay, just don't make a deal. I hear stomping. I think my car's rattling. I think that's queso. No, it's not queso. I don't know why queso would even be here. Oh, we're safe in my my asbestos car. Should we make a little asbestos? Okay, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that either. I'm in a very quiet spot. I guess everyone left but me. Don't even play music? Okay, so I guess they're shutting down the radio. Jeez. Every disaster is occurring with an infinite power and everything. Okay, that's just great. I guess I'm not surviving anything, aren't I? You know what, I'm gonna just get out. Get out. Sit down. And huddle. And go to sleep. Oh wait, that's my damn alarm. Okay. What are you doing? Why are you meowing? Are you wanting me to stop? Meow. Stop. Oh. I received 5 blueprints. Why? The game just randomly awarded me with blueprints and didn't even tell me. Oh, it's an alert! It's an alert! Shut the door! Shut the door! Shut the door! Don't want your demons to this location. Oh. I guess they're saying that it's clear to make noise. Yeah. It's clear to leave, but beware of rubble, destruction, and absolute chaos. Oh, jeez. I wonder how my garage is doing. I hope my garage is okay. Especially my beloved G-Wagon. I have to go see if that thing's okay at all. Oh yeah, I should probably get my stuff too. We can't keep forgetting about that. We can't forget about my stuff. Just gonna open the doors. Just gonna grab all my stuff. Slap it in the trunk and on the passenger seat. And all of it's in Everyland now, so it's just me and my cars. You know, I'm just gonna do it. Over there, I should also go underground. Wait, this is the ground level. This is a concrete structure, though. Actually, it's a bedrock. A bedrock is some of the strongest rocks and materials. Like every material combined. Crap. That's my car. It's almost gonna go into the water. I guess it could use a bit of a. Well, that was my only form of transport. Well, I guess I'm going. Then. Guess I'm walking my way home. Because my car is literally on the edge of a cliff and it's about to fall. I can't go anywhere. There isn't even car sharing over here. The closest car sharing to me is like over here somewhere. So, and that's 0.7 kilometers. It'll take me even longer because I'm walking to the destination. Well, I'm where my car couldn't go because it's and this is a ramp. Fine, I'll go waste myself then. Fine then. It's fine. So I just got back to my garage from that stupid Coliseum place thingy-mabobber, and I just realized that my car, the car sharing car is still here. It's just gonna throw me out when I try to run it. Can I mess with it? Good. I'm just gonna open every door. Maybe then the car will feel bad. This is what I'm doing. There goes every car. Yup, there we go. My beloved, beautiful. Oh, how I've missed you. And you're finally back, eh? Well, at least everything else is okay. I mean, and then Brick City is okay, but, you know. $1,000? No. I'm putting this in my slot, baby. Can I steal a car sharing vehicle? Am I allowed to do that? There we go. We got the. I guess I can't have a car sharing car, but whatever. Purr. But yeah, this scenario was a little weird because every disaster occurred, but whatever. Let's sit back and And relax for once, I guess. Chillax. Watch some TV. I forgot. I don't have cable. But I could still turn on the TV, but it would be static. And the only thing that could play would be alerts, but I'm literally right by a free slot. 1 meter. Free slot. I got the car sharing car. I think I stole it. I don't know, but it's there. Hi, kitty cat. Hi, pretty. Hi, pretty titty. You have titties. Do you have tits? Shasha, do you have tits?